I turn 거에서 늦은 뒤 한개석 turn 거에서 이 사인.
도착 후 선반을 여실 때는 안에 있는 물건이 떨어질 수 있으니 조심해 주시고 내리실 때는 여러분의 소중한 물건 그리고 지네어와의 추억 모두 잊지 말고 꼭 챙겨주세요.
So we've landed in Jeju. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I can't wait to relax myself.
And how about you, sir? Say something about Jeju.
대박.
So we finally found a location. The driver is now going towards our homestay or guest house or whatever that is. We have our guide, our tour guide all the way from Nagaland.
Really?
He's our best Korean speaker for today. We have arrived at our location. This is what we're seeing. I don't know what this is. But yay! That's our hut. A little cottage for 2 days at least. You got mail. Hello. Here. So the house owner is not home at the moment. He's given some instructions. It says this way. Go. There's another one here. Says this way. So we go up. This is your room. Okay, let's see our room. There you go. Wow. Piano.
시간 카드로 결제하면은 뭐 이 가격.
Jeju rice 2 kg.
좋다.
짠데 kg 줄래? 킬로 나. What's the price for 2 kilos?
Two not I think it's enough, right? Enough.
Big watermelons is like 14,000. Fresh, fresh. So fresh. This is the golden light, the golden hour actually. So the light that you're seeing right here in front of me, it's no other light but it's the setting sun, the crimson sun that's setting over the Jeju island. I'd like to show you. There you go. Wow. ओए साथी जेजू देख के करे আছে আয়া কা আমি তো সাইট সিং সাবলে করিবলে আইছি না কি করে আছো আই So Keto dropped her phone and so our Hercules hero is trying to rescue and retrieve the phone. iPhone 11 Pro পাইছে আয়া হা মালিক তো তাতে সাবি তো সানসেট সাবো এনা আইছিলে happy Yo people, so we are up and about and we are going to where? No, wait. Monkey Beach. So this is our first full day in Jeju and also very crucial day because we have to explore today properly. So all the Hawaiian tourists are here. Tourists. See you in a bit. Don't stop.
잠시 후 시속 80km 구간입니다.
May na samera la guitar la version kung mo na so may maulap pa ya sa hello na ba wala wala na
Oh, it's big. Yeah. Oh, 현진보다님 garden도 여기 있대.
We've reached the Jungmun beach area, and this is where people come and park their cars, and then we'll find the way to the beach, which I think is that way. The sun is up, bright, clear, and beautiful. Yeah, chalo. So this place has a few resorts, I think, operated by people. Oh, lots of tourists filling in. Then people, get ready to see the blue and green beach.
I see him coming, hiding in the shadows. You gotta look out for zombies and anything that goes bump in the night. If you need me, just call me. You know I'm gonna be right by your side. 'Cause you need somebody.
What's the plan? Are we going for the swim? So we are wondering what to do now. The heat is really too harsh. So the girls are wondering whether they should be out with their bikinis or not. And the boys are also wondering what to do. We'll wait for a few minutes and see what to do. Look at our fish swimming. Alright, food, Javina, Vitor. This iPhone is waterproof. Let's check it out. Let's go in.
ओए दुई बार डिपो लाग्यो तपाईँ हैन भइबो लाग्यो भने भइयो ताकि मैं
So I'm here sitting at Bomnal Cafe, and if you are a K-drama lover, this is the spot where one of the dramas called Warm and Cozy. The drama was shot in this very cafe, and we are here right in this place. So it's really a very nice place, very warm. We can see the sunset and stuff. So yeah, so this is here in Jeju, and if you ever visit this place, this island, make sure you come over here, watch the sunset, and yeah, you could be part of the drama in this place. So, good place. Let me just take you around this place a little bit to give you a picture of the scenes and stuff. Follow me. We have my videographer, Mr. Abitso, the best videographer in town. Yeah, this is a good place to see the sunsets over there, by the way. So, right, let's go. So just a while ago it was very crowded, but now people have started returning to their homes, and we are almost all alone. So look at this, man. This setting, this is just cool, very romantic. You could just sit over here, sip a cup of coffee and stuff, you know. And then over there, and if you are tired, you want to get a swing, you could sit over here, and you could do this, man. Wow, this is good a lot, people. And once you get tired, you could just take a walk around here as well. This should be our last place. Just end the day by watching the sunset over there. It's dark and stuff. So
절반이라고 할까?
okay.
절반에 가더니
A few seconds.
가을이가 걸음이
So we're back from our trip to the beach, and our dear host, auntie and uncle, they have made a very sumptuous dinner. Kimchi jjigae. Yeah.
You are the eldest.
Yes.
I respect you.
You have a YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. We have kimchi jjigae, we have kimchi, and we have a chili and fish. And sesame leaf, or I think so, I'm not sure. So, and there is Raja Pakains,
Oh.
our chef. Ooh.
된장찌개.
된장찌개. 먹자 맛있겠다.
아 진짜 맛있겠다.
네, 감사합니다.
In the case of the dead, different direction. Left,
So our host is
right.
explaining that in Korean culture, the table setting, the rice has to be on the left. So they were eating by keeping the rice on the right. So now they've corrected. Mine was perfectly. I followed Korean culture, so I'm meant to be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fry bread. I'm gonna be fried bread though. Air fryer to like a little bit fry pan to fry.
빨리 lunch 가와. 왜 travel 빨리 가와.
Breakfast là 모두 갈비.
나 brunch.
모두 다
brunch
먹네.
가와.
모두.
Lunch
아, 야가 가게나 올라와.
이제 나.
와서 올라와.
So we are at Eho Beach today, and we are trying to find something. Oh, there's a Nora Jones song, but the shop is closed. Are they closing? They're closed, 그래서. Huh? They're closed, 그래서. Show your t-shirts. There you go. Wow. Pretty. Okay. I have the shirt with me too. There you go. It's raining actually, and the weather forecasts thunder and storm and stuff, but it's not happened yet. So we were very doubtful whether we could go to the beach and stuff, but we saw people, so quite a lot of people actually just playing in the water. So I think it's okay. So we're gonna just go and stay in the water again. Look at that. Lots of people actually. We are renting this table today and we can stay here till 5 p.m. We pay, actually the price is about 50,000 for a day, but because of the weather we are just paying 30,000, so almost around 40% discount. So it's about 20 back, which we will spend on our drinks and stuff. So we are at table number 11. This is our lucky table today. And we are ready to go to the beach. 가자. 재밌어요? 재밌어요? So these are the boats and we're gonna really try at it today. No matter what happens, let's see what really happens. Can I know your name? What's your name?
I'm Shannon.
Shannon?
Yes.
Ah, Shannon. So just one thing, what is the one main thing we need to keep in mind as a beginner for surfing?
As a beginner,
Yeah. There's one main thing we have to keep in mind.
first is always checking your location
Check your
in
location.
the water
Ah.
so that you don't drift away so far.
Too far away, yeah.
And the second is I think it's swim joy,
Okay.
regardless of whether you succeed or not.
Yeah. Which we are going to fail
Yeah,
for
just
sure.
follow the rhythm of the wave and just
Awesome.
try to enjoy. Yeah, and smile.
All right. I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a leash now,
Yes.
so that the boat doesn't really go away from
To
us.
your ankle.
Ah, ankle.
Yeah, usually on the right side.
Right.
And make it very tight.
Sure.
And when you're carrying the board, you can lift the front part, nose of the board, you can
Ah.
extend to the sea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we tie this only after we enter the sea, is it?
Yeah, you can do
Yeah, yeah.
whatever. That would
Alright.
be most comfortable.
Sure.
Oh, a little.
Raining in Jeju. We're planning to go to the airport. We're not getting a taxi, so we're walking. There you go. Hoping that we'll find a bus or a taxi somewhere. There was a warning for storm, so people are all worried and scared. They're not willing to drive today. Anyways, let's hope for the best. 가자. Fighting! Fighting!
I think.
सवेरा हो गया है सबसे पहले पुकारूं तुझे और तेरे प्यार में सारा दिन मैं गुजारूं मुझको है shame.